What's happening here today is a toy drive, our annual toy drive. This is our 5th year, RAO 25, along with the Black History Committee with Southwest, along with TWU 555. Just feel good. I'm actually from this community. Went to high school right down the street here. Now I'm back, giving back to the community.
We're going to be giving out more toys at 3 o'clock, so like in the next 7 minutes.
Feels amazing. As a union member, as a union leader, as an advocate for the union, that's what we should be doing.
We do this every year. We definitely want to thank some other organizations. We want to thank Harmony Church for allowing us to host this event here. We also want to thank TWU 555 local organization as well. We want to thank everybody for coming out.
Some of these families really need something to make their holiday special, and we're here today to try to make that special for them.
Here in Sacramento with our 7th annual toy drive. I'm here with my wife.
So we partner with the Sacramento County Unified School District. Part of it is really just to give parents 5 minutes to breathe, to shop without their kids. But in most cases too, this is the only gift or toy that most of the families or kids will receive this year. 90% of this is self-funded. He has to deal with that every year.
Hi, my name's Deja Reese. We're here at the Toy Drive in Sacramento. We are the FLOC. This is Rebecca, Jorge, Brandon.
We came to Sacramento together to unite and just put smiles on these kids' faces.
At the end of the day, it's all about the kids. We're here to support as we can Dumont's district and help out.
It's not just about helping out people with a contract or helping people out at work. It's about helping the collective as a whole. Because the union's bigger than itself. It's not just an organization, it's people coming together to help each other.
My role here at the Sacramento Toy Drive is a personal shopper. And what it is that I greet them at the door with the greeters, and then I take them their card and I take them around the toys that you see here and help the parents select the toy for that matches their child's interest.
If you can go out and help someone out, whether it's in work or out work, that's what we should do, because that's what it means to be in a union, to come together and help each other.
Yeah, it definitely wouldn't be possible without the donations from the union, from the community at large, the Sacramento at large community. So Demond hooking this up with the union and us helping them out has been really great.
So it's very important to be a leader in your union, but also in your community as well.
Today I'm helping customers pick out gifts for their children. Being able to know that you're helping out, making sure that every kid has something to open during Christmas. I remember every kid should be able to open up gifts, happy times, for Christmas Day.
What being part of a union is about. The idea of organized labor was built off of helping your fellow man. We got all these families out there, not just in these locations, nationwide. And in a time where there's so much to feel bad about, it's good to be part of something positive that's greater than any singular individual.
I'd like to thank the members of FLOC and the members of the Human and Civil Rights Committee that took the time to fly out to Sacramento and participate in this. It's been real heartwarming to see the outpouring from our local on this.
Appreciate all the members of the FLOC committee traveling, coming out to this charity event that we got going on. We got some people in Sac, we got some people here in Chicago. I just personally want to say thank you guys for you giving your time and your dedication to actually come out and do something. Appreciate you.